So let's take a look at this example of converting an improper fraction to a decimal. So here we have an improper fraction because it's 33 over 20. Notice that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So in order to convert this into a decimal, we're going to want to set this up using long division. So if we set it up using long division, we would have 20 on the outside and 33 on the inside. So our first step is to do the division part. We have to ask ourselves, how many times does 20 fit into 33? Well, that would be 1 time. So now from here, we have to multiply. What's 20 times 1? 20 times 1 is going to give us 20. Our next step in long division is going to be subtraction. So we're going to subtract 33, take away 20, which is 13. And notice that we have a remainder. But we don't want remainders because we're trying to convert this fraction into a decimal. So we're going to place a 0 here. And notice that it's 33.0. Why do we do this? Well, if we had 33.0000 forever, it would still be equal to 33. This way, it allows us to bring down. So notice beside my 1 on the top there, I have a decimal point because our answer is going to be a decimal number. So now that I can bring down a 0, I have 130. And now I'm going to go back and do the division part. Remember, we have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So now we're going to divide. How many times does 20 fit into 130? It fits in 6 times, and then we're going to multiply 20 times 6, which gives us 120. Then we're going to subtract, which gives us 10. And from here, we're going to bring down, so now we get 100. We go back to division. How many times does 20 fit into 100? It fits into it 5 times. Then we're going to multiply. We're going to do 20 times 5, which gives us 100. We're going to subtract, and we get 0. Notice that we don't have a remainder. So now we've just converted the fraction 33 over 20 into a decimal, which is equal to 1.65.